Hi, my name is Jalinsky. I will teach you how to make a bulgogi today. Here's my two assistants.
Assistant Chief Michael Rios from Clarksville Fire Rescue.
Officer Dylan Lawrence, Clarksville Police Department.
Bulgogi is a soy sauce marinated beef, but a lot of time they can use a pork or chicken. Bulgogi means one bulgogi sauce is the bulgogi. So bulgogi sauce is really simple. A lot of people think it's a really difficult Korean cooking, but I find a apple juice concentrate instead of pear juice. This is how I use it. And then this is a Korean soy sauce. You can use a Kikkoman soy sauce, any soy sauce, but you gotta be careful with some soy sauce is more saltier than regular soy sauce. But you need to adjust the saltiness. And then we have a black pepper, and we have a garlic, of course, and then sesame seed oil and sesame seed. This is our seasoning ingredient. It's so simple. And then we have some vegetable, onions and carrots and pepper, green onion. These are Korean green onion. It's bigger than just a regular onion, but you can use a smaller onion. And then I have thinly sliced New York strip. But you can use any favorite kind of a cut you like. You can use a ribeye, you can use any sirloin, you can use any kind of your cut. Or you can use a pork. Okay? So now we're gonna make the sauce together, and then Chief Officer, can you chop this for us like a really thinly sliced?
Okay.
We'll see how your chopping skill.
Oh, now there's a lot of pressure on me now.
Like my wife. Ooh, I'll do it. That's fine.
And what veggies do we have, Terry?
It's a carrot and with some green onion, and we have just regular onion. And then if some people like spicy, you can put some jalapenos in it, but these are not the spicy peppers. So, did you cut it?
No. We have to laugh a little bit.
Okay.
Otherwise, we're just eating.
Okay.
Making me nervous.
So if you cut your finger and then you're gonna put me on the jail?
No, no. No, this is self-imposed. Oh, no, you have to eat that one. Yeah, that's just the rules.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, some carrots, I really don't like too much carrot in there, but some carrots it makes it a little bit more colorful. Yep, I think that's good.
Okay.
All right, so you can chop julienne like
Real small.
half and then cut it like this.
Okay.
Okay. Very good. Gracefully.
Your own cooking show.
Yeah.
I have 5 children. I cooked a lot of dinners.
Cool.
Never bulgogi though.
Yep.
I'm gonna try
See,
this.
like it's gonna be so easy. And then now you can slice the green onion. You can
Oh, you got
you can slice it with like a thinly.
On an angle?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Good job. Okay, you chop all these, and then I'm gonna make a sauce. Can you come help me?
Oh yeah. Good luck.
Thanks.
Be careful.
You're on your own.
Safety.
Can you open this apple sauce pour in here for me?
It's my best part. It's gonna bust open like a biscuit.
Oh, it's liquid.
Okay. Try not to wear it.
Put a whole can in there.
Okay. All right.
Good job. Can you pour the soy sauce? No, don't use. We gotta use this can.
Okay.
So put a soy sauce to half can, little more than half can. Put them in there.
Put them in.
You're doing good. You cook home a lot?
I do. I used to.
I think that's enough. All right.
It smells good.
Yeah. See, apple makes the meat so tenderized, and then all the meats have a bad little odors, smells, and then they're make sure they're like a tender and.
I smell it already. I love bulgogi.
Okay, so we're gonna put like a 2 teaspoons of black pepper, but I usually use 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Yep. Oh, I can open the lid for you.
So I got big hands.
You can add or you can less. It's all up to you. But this is a base ingredient.
2 of them?
No, I think 1. Yeah. All right. And then instead of chopping minced garlic put in there, I put garlic in there, or we all mince it, all blending together. Okay. So probably I do put like a little handful. Little hand.
Little hand.
Yeah. Not your hand. Okay.
Too much.
And then we'll put a 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I mean, this is sesame seed oil.
Sesame seed.
Yes.
Smell it.
And then a lot of people, especially the recipe called a lot of sugars, but I don't put a lot of sugar in this recipe. If you think you want a little more sweeter side, you can put some add on honey, or you can add a little Splenda, any the favorite sugar of your choice. Okay, I think it's done now. We need to blend them. So blending.
Okay.
Are you scared?
No.
Cheap.
I've seen some accidents happen before.
All right, ready?
I'm about to wear it.
Okay. See, now I have it's a less than 3 pounds. So can you pour it in here? Let me grab our gloves.
Need gloves too?
Oh, you can pour it in there.
Okay.
I'll do the fun part. This is the fun part.
Smells good.
Yes. Can you put more sesame? Can you put a 2 tablespoons of sesame seed in it?
2 tablespoons.
Yeah. You can go. Yeah. We're almost done. It's so easy, isn't it? See, now this kind of like a slightly frozen up. So we usually put them in the refrigerator like this and then marinate about 1 hour. But because the beef is so thin, so you can just cook it right away. But either way, it tastes good.
Can we leave it marinated overnight?
Yes, you can marinate it overnight, and then you can leave it on even marinate, you can keep it a couple days in the refrigerator. It's no problem. But I don't know, you can wait that long.
This looks like a good, easy firehouse recipe.
Yes, and then if you put a thick size of meat, you can leave it on the overnight, and then you put it on the grill. Okay, I think they're ready to put some vegetables in here.
All right. I have 2 of the peppers, and then the onions, the green onions, and the carrots. Is that enough?
Yes, that's
Okay.
enough. Looks beautiful. Okay, you put it in there. You can mix it together.
Here we go.
Okay, 2 of you.
All right. Teamwork.
Now the hot stuff. Here we go.
You can put any favorite of your vegetable. So I'm gonna heat up the skillet. Heavy metal, heavy bottom skillet. You heat it up. And then when it heat up, and then you can start stir frying.
Just having fun mixing. It's almost like Play-Doh.
See?
How are we looking?
Looks beautiful. Look at it. Oh. It's so beautiful. All right.
Did y'all see that? Just hit my head. That's one.
There's only one.
Okay. Now ready to stir fry? Is there anybody who wants to stir fry the meat?
I'll do it.
I turn the water.
Challenge accepted.
Okay. You can put a little bit of thyme. Here. Let me grab you thyme.
You say this looks delicious in Korean.
맛있어요.
Magistel.
Yeah, 맛있어요 is delicious, but if I make one more sentence there, I don't think you can.
Oh, no.
That was for me, Chief. That was for me. It smells amazing,
Yes.
and it's not even cooked yet. I'm really having a good time over here.
So how hot is this pan supposed to get?
Supposed to get like a pretty hot, like it can be seared.
Ooh,
Okay.
I'm making a mess.
That's fine.
Man.
It
And
does.
I have another skillet for you, officer.
Oh.
Challenge.
Okay.
You get the smaller one.
But it's the apron size.
Oh,
Because I have a little apron.
Okay.
you don't get any spoons though.
Excuse me.
I can't be trusted with spoons.
Man, this looks good.
How do you guys can do the chopstick? You guys can handle the chopstick?
I'm pretty good with chopsticks.
Okay. So it's the hit. It will be heat up soon.
Yep.
Yep. I'm proud of you guys.
How am I doing?
You guys doing an
Good.
excellent job.
I need a bigger hood.
So I'm gonna teach you how to serve this bulgogi, and bulgogi is the best way to serve on top of rice. So I'm gonna grab a rice, and then we put the bulgogi on top of rice, and then we will have serve and enjoy it.
Okay.
I put some commute with the just white rice together, so it makes it a little more healthier. So we put this rice here. This is
Oh,
the
man.
rice with the commute in there. Like,
Y'all want some of this bulgogi? Come on out to the Women's Expo on August 19th from 10 to 3. All right.
Yes.
okay, now I think Chief, yours done, and then you
Alright.
can put it on top of a.
Put it on top of here?
Yeah, all over on top
Alright.
with the sauce and everything.
Do it with a spoon?
Yep.
Oh man,
You're only done because you had a head start.
no, 'cause I'm better. And you're doing this at the Women's Expo as well?
Yes, we'll have all this demo at Women's Expo.
What about samples?
I think you can have some samples.
For me?
Oh.
Yes.
All right, I'm there.
You know,
I need to turn this off. The sauce too?
yeah. Put the salsa all over in there on top.
It's hot?
Yeah. It's not, okay.
I got it. It's
There you go. Where the good stuff is.
And on top, we put some little bit of sesame seed.
Oh yeah. It's all about the presentation.
Okay.
You can do sound effects like bam. Huh?
Yeah, you would. Bam!
There you go. Now we're a professional production.
Sprinkle that.
This is one of those days that the job is really
I
hard.
know.
It's too hard, isn't it? You still have your 5 finger.
See, I still got all 10.
Okay, stay here. Let me. See, here's a bulgogi.
Where's my chopsticks?
Just use a big spoon.
There they are.
Here, chopstick.
I'm not sure if I can wait.
So, who's gonna taste?
Me, of course. Being the chef, don't you have to taste it?
You gotta make sure everything's good.
Ooh.
Is anybody wanna taste? Test?
Oh man. Yep.
How is it?
Man, it's delicious. I don't think I ever had it that fresh. It's good.
See, not much ingredients, not complicated.
Yeah, that's easy.
First time I came to stage, I could not get this authentic ingredient making a bulgogi. This is how I come up with, instead of Korean pear, I cannot get the Korean pear anytime I want. So that's why I came across this idea for using apple juice concentrate. And it's not that sweet. I think it's really
Just a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of salty.
That's good.
Yeah, and it, for as quick as that all was, it took a lot longer because we're messing up your process.
bigger.
Is that my to-go box?
Yeah,
that for me?
of course. Thank you guys.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for teaching us how to make this. I'm gonna cook this at the firehouse.
Anytime.
Yeah.
So firehouse, call me and then I'll be over there cooking for you guys.
Oh, don't say that. We'll do it.
Yep.
We have a couple buildings too, and we like to eat as well. So.
Cool. Yeah.
You know what they eat. Not to mention.
Alright.
If y'all want to taste this bulgogi, come on out to the
Women's Expo.
Women's Expo on the 19th from 10 to 3. We'll be doing a cooking show. Well, not me. I'll be there, but
You guys, you're gonna be my assistant too.
I can.
I'll bring an apron. Yeah, let's go.
I'll get more samples.
Yes.
I'll be there.
You guys gonna come out at Women's Expo, enjoy the bulgogi, and then this is a Korean authentic bulgogi, and then you can learn at your home. You can cook it for yourself. Thank you.
See you at the expo.